Hey, what up, guys? Finally breaking even, or like down $200 on my portfolio. It's currently at $20,798. I'm negative 210, and then earned dividends is at 211. So yeah, just still dollar cost averaging, very small for tomorrow morning. It'll be Thursday the 22nd. I'll be making these buys. Nike, I'm buying around $99. I'm putting in $20. Disney at 103, putting $20. VGI around $8, putting $50. Around 62 and putting in $20. Cat around 170, putting in $20. Um, and yeah, still just adding very small because the market is dropping right now. It can keep going lower. So yeah, just um, still got some buying power, as you can see, 476. And yeah, expecting more downtrend. So yeah, just saving up some capital there, and then we'll still adding $300 every week so far. I'll probably be upping it soon as the market drops more. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update on my portfolio. Stay tuned. I'll probably be adding new companies, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update. Leave a comment if you have questions, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.